Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video we will see what is stack column chart and how do you create the stack column chart. So now I will just pick up region into column and sales into rows. So this is the normal column chart which I have discussed in my previous video. So if you have not watched my previous video, then I will just provide this link in my link description. Go and watch that video so that you can understand fully. Then I'll just make it as interview. Yeah, it's done. So then if you want to see which region is selling which category and how much it's selling. So for this region I will just drag and drop product category to color. Okay. So see, it will automatically distinguish by different color. You can see my right hand side, you can able to see which color is in which category. Furniture is in blue, office supply is in orange and technology is in red color, right? So now if I click on furniture, yeah. So here you can see east region is having more furniture selling and south has less, right? So I will do here one thing. I'll just make sale, drag and drop to label. So here you go. You can see east region is having 1,96,332 furniture selling. So south region is having 1,31,472 technology selling, right? You can see that. And if you want to see this, if you want to change the color, you can also do that. Just click on color button, click on edit color. And here we will choose orange gold, ascend palette, then apply, then OK. Yeah, it's look good, right? So in this way you can see a star, you can create a stack column chart. I hope you understand this video. That's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.